Hi, Oliver. Wynn here with Ring SEO and Digital Marketing. First of all, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to make this short custom video that Tony promised with tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own, in return bring in better paying customers for the services you prefer the most and they are ready and able to purchase these services. So, Oliver, I really like your website. I like the color scheme of it. Mentioning Sherwin-Williams is always a great idea. They're a very trusted company. But there are definitely some opportunities that you are missing out on. So first of all, let's talk about how 8.5 billion people on average are searching Google every single day. Many of them are your potential customers who are searching for your exact same services in your exact same area. Now, right now, your website is more of an online business card, so you're not really utilizing any of that business. So let's talk about ways that we can get you noticed on Google. First of all, content is king to Google. We recommend having at least 1,500 words of unique, helpful content on your homepage and any other pages that you would like to be found for. Now, that includes things besides just your words on the page. There's also how you save your images. This is a great way to add in location-specific keywords that people are actually searching for, like painters, Brighton, Michigan, or interior painting, Brighton, Michigan, or Brighton interior painting, Brighton exterior painting, anything of that nature. Also, here at the top, I would like to see a click to call button with your phone number. Because the majority of people who are searching for your services are doing so from their cell phone. So you don't really want them to have to go to another page to be able to call you. So that's one of the tips. Also, I would really like to see your services on a separate drop-down menu up here. Interior painting, exterior painting, decks, staining, anything of that nature. And then also down here, I would really like to see a way clickable images and things to be able to get to the back pages of your website. The easier it is for your potential customers who are searching for you in Google to use, the better. Google really likes multiple ways to get around your website. Also, putting trust emblems up here near the top. Better Business Bureau, any awards that you have. There's no, I can't remember the name of this really popular. Oh, expertise.com is a really good one that you can get right now. Those show trust. Google really likes that. It's also good for your customers. Let me see here. Was there anything else? Nope, that's the only thing I saw right now. So those are going to be the easiest ones for you. If we were doing it, we would also do like the H1 tags, and there's a lot of other things that we do for SEO. But for you doing it yourself, that would really help your website. Now let's go ahead and go look at some numbers, Oliver. Since you're a business owner, I'm sure you like numbers. So this is Ahrefs. It is a program that I use. It is quite pricey, but it does tell me a lot about websites. So let's talk about some of the most important things that I'm seeing right now. So first of all, we have the UR and DR. Now the UR is your trust with Google, and then the DR is your power with Google. Now the way that we get these numbers higher is through backlinks. Now all a backlink is a link on someone else's trusted website that points to your website and transfers power and trust from them to you. Now as you can see, you only have 3 backlinks from 2 referring domains right now, and you're not getting very much traffic. So let's go ahead and go look at some of your competition. Now, I went ahead and put in Birmingham because they get a lot more people searching for them. So that's another tip, is to expand to Birmingham a little bit since it's so close to you guys. Lot more people searching for that. I'd actually do a separate location page just for Birmingham. And then you're also going to get people who are in the middle of Birmingham and Brighton, which would be very far for you at all. And let's go ahead and you see how they have the drop-down menu. See, they have Birmingham, and they also have other locations. And then they also have the click to call button like I was talking about. Let's go look at their numbers. So as you can see, their UR is a 28 and their DR is a 17. Now they do have 331 backlinks with 110 different websites. Now this would be catchable over time, just to let you know. And I also know that these aren't the absolute best backlinks you can have, because if they were, these numbers would be much closer together. We call this the golden ratio, and ideally we want this within 1 point of each other. Now here's something I do want to point out to you, Oliver. Look at how much traffic their website is getting every month. Over 1,000 people are coming to their website every month. Now, I'm not trying to tell you that 1,000 people are purchasing their services, but let's say 1,000 people are coming to their website. Let's say 700 are calling them. And let's say out of those 700, let's say they're only closing 300. That's less than half the people that are calling that they're closing. What would 300 more services every month do for your business? I know that that's huge for my business. So that is definitely something that you might want to think about. The last thing we're going to talk about today is the Google My Business, or the Google Map Pack. Now the reason that this is important is because this is the very first thing that people see when they search for Birmingham painters. Okay? So in order to get to the top of the Google Map Pack, there's some certain things that you want to do. Now the first thing is citations. And just to let you know, some citations will be a backlink and vice versa. And so all that is your name, address, and phone number across different websites across the web. Whether that's going to be Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, any of the other social medias, Twitter, or whether it's the Better Business Bureau, or literally the thousands of directories that there are across the web. Whether it's going to be painting directories or real estate directories, pardon me, home and garden, any of those are going to work, because you do want to make sure it's niche specific. You don't want to go put your name, address, and phone number on an ice cream directory, for instance. And you do want to make sure that your name, address, and phone number is correct across all these directories, and then is the same as it is on your Google My Business page. Now, whenever you go do a job, go ahead and take some pictures and upload those to your Google My Business page. You also want to save these images the same way we save them on your website, with the location-specific buyer intent keywords, and then go ahead and geotag your images. That way Google has no doubt that you are doing what you say you're doing, where you're doing it, and you really care about your business. Because Google really likes to see you be interactive on your Google My Business page. The next thing we're going to talk about are reviews. Of course, you want to get as many 5-star reviews on Google as you possibly can. And we do have some tips we can talk about later on how you can make that easier. Now, if you do get a not so good review, and that is anything less than a 5, we recommend responding back to that as quickly as possible, ideally within a day. And that shows Google that you really care about your customers and doing great work. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is your business description. You have up to 750 words to use on your business description. Now, you can go to free websites like wordcounter.com, so you can make sure you're utilizing exactly 750 words. You really want to list out all your services and what sets you apart from your local competition. So, Oliver, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you find it informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And we would really appreciate some feedback. So I hope that you have a great day. Take care. We look forward to speaking with you. Bye-bye.